Welcome to our guide on the top 20 smart kitchen gadgets that are revolutionizing the way we cook, making your culinary life much easier. If you find cooking tedious or time-consuming, these smart gadgets offer automation, precision, and efficiency to simplify your entire kitchen routine. First up, let's explore gadgets that act as your personal sous chef, guiding you through recipes and ensuring perfect results every time. Forget guessing if your meat is done. A smart thermometer connects to your phone, alerting you the moment your food reaches perfect doneness. Imagine a device that learns your preferences and suggests recipes based on the ingredients you have on hand, minimizing food waste and maximizing creativity. Tired of standing over a pot to prevent burning? An automated stirring machine does the hard work for you, maintaining consistent heat and movement. Next, we look at gadgets designed to drastically reduce the time and effort spent on food preparation. An electric vegetable chopper or slicer handles the repetitive, mundane task of cutting, giving you uniform pieces in seconds. Precision is easy with a self-measuring scale and dispenser, which accurately weighs and pours ingredients, crucial for baking. For quick smoothies, soups, or sauces, a high-speed blending station delivers smooth results in a flash, often with preset programs for perfect consistency. Our major kitchen appliances are getting smarter too, offering connectivity and control that transforms traditional cooking. Start your morning from bed. A Wi-Fi-enabled coffee maker allows you to schedule brewing or start it remotely via an app. A smart oven provides precision control, offering specific cooking modes and even self-adjusting settings based on your food. Modern induction cooktops now feature guided cooking, with sensors that automatically maintain the perfect temperature for your recipe steps. Cooking is great, but the cleanup isn't. These gadgets make post-meal tidying quick and hygienic. A hands-free soap dispenser is crucial for hygiene, preventing the spread of germs, especially when your hands are covered in raw ingredients. A countertop UV sanitizing device quickly cleans knives, cutting boards, and other utensils without chemicals, ensuring a germ-free kitchen environment. For eco-conscious cooks, an automatic compost caddy reduces food scraps into fertilizer, odorless and conveniently right on your counter. Finally, we explore specialty gadgets that cater to specific culinary needs, perfecting those tricky details. Keep your fresh herbs vibrant for weeks with a preserver that uses controlled moisture to mimic ideal storage condition. Smart storage containers track freshness and manage inventory via an app, so you always know what you have and when it expires. Making fresh pasta has never been easier. An automated pasta maker mixes, kneads, and extrudes perfect pasta in minutes,